Well, the irony is not lost on me that, of all people, I might say, just one last thing. Um, but there is as far as bolting this whole thing down, and that is this nut. This is a through stud, and it won't tighten. It's just turning on the top here. So, but it also won't just unthread either. I'm not sure I've ever been faced with this before. It won't tighten, but it also won't come off. Okay, I know this looks like it goes from bad to worse when you immediately have the vice grips out for an end cap, cam cap nut for an engine internal. But I need something to be able to turn and kind of pull up at the same time, because I need this to unscrew. Come on. That's the other thing. I could just unscrew it all the way out. I could do that too. Just take it all the way out of there. See what we're looking at here. I feel like I'm not wrong in just thinking, why not put this in there? Let's try it out. That's no good. Kind of hit rock bottom there. Well, alrighty, let me find a nut for this. Hopefully I have one. Although I have been using up a lot of my supplies lately, my hardware. There's a possibility. No, small. All right, well, we got another possibility over here. Okay, well, before I even clean up that thread, or rethread it if I have to, I'm going to have to, I thought I'd find a nut for it first. And if it's not in here, I'm sort of out of options. And I don't think it's a good idea to put a thread lock on it. Or any other cheap piece of hardware. Here's a possibility. Nope. Not quite. What's this? I'm not sure. That last one looked like it should work. So maybe this thread needs to be cleaned up a little bit on this, good side, if you will. Okay, so I'm going to rethread this. And then I think I have nuts. I think I have a couple in there that should work. There we go. This looks like it's a machine nut. It might be battery terminal nuts. I can't bear the thought of some guy in 50 years cracking this open and going, oh my God, he used a battery terminal nut on this. I'd rather have this rusty old machine nut. Okay, let's get this in. I realize that I've altered the engineering and the mathematics and the metallurgy on this, but I think it's the best I could do. And I don't see why it shouldn't hold up. It's accompanied by, in part, some new hardware, some new bolts and new washers. And listen, I'm not going to say anything until this is tight. Okay, these two end caps, 6.5 to 9.4. Sitting at 9. There it is. Hi, it's Chris from The Seasoned Rider. I'll make you a deal. If you hit subscribe and like and leave a comment, I'll fix the squeaky brake.